Hello, everybody. All right, welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 5. This is another predict level. So it says this level follows a video that you may have watched with your class. If you missed the video, you can watch it in the help and tips tab of this level. So if you come up here, you'll see a bunch of different opportunities for tips and tricks and all of that. And the first one is the video that you can go watch about variables and using them in this lesson. So let's go back to the instructions. And it says predict. In which corner of the screen will the circle be drawn? Hint, click the show grid box to help you find the exact coordinates on the screen. So if we show the grid, which is this button right here, and it says variable x position gets 300 and variable what's the y gets 100, then where's the ellipse going to be basically? So the ellipse says x position and what's the y? So X position is going to be 300. Let's go find 300 horizontally. All right, so it's going to be somewhere in here. And then what's the Y is going to be 100. So we got to find it around here. So my guess is that the ellipse is going to be in this area right here. All right, so I'm going to say that. I'm going to say that I believe the ellipse will be in the top right-hand corner of the screen. There we go. So I'm going to press run, and there it is. So we were correct. Now, again, remember, before you click that run button, you got to make sure that you have what you want your teacher to see, because as you can see, I can't go back and edit this, and that's going to be the same position for you. So once you've got your answer in there and you've run it and you see where the ellipse is, you're going to click the orange finish button, and I will see you on level 3. Here we go.